Good afternoon to you all. I, Gauri Bansal, all webinar on Kalighat Patachitra under the series Kalanjali, Revering Art and Indian Culture, hosted by National Service Scheme Shivaji College. Shivaji College is a premier institution in West Delhi accredited with Grade A by NAC. Transform one life, transform the nation is the vision of Shivaji College. I am pleased to introduce our speaker for the day, Mr. Prabhat Kumar Das. He is a painter and a mentor. Kalighat painting developed in the vicinity of the Kalighat Kali temple in Calcutta during the 19th century. Over the period of time, from being a souvenir for the goddess, it has developed as a distinct form of Indian paintings. From depiction of Hindu god and other mythological characters, now it has evolved to reflect a variety of themes. Our speaker has done his bachelor's and senior diploma in arts from Kolkata. He has also served as a teacher of drawing and painting in various schools and institutions. He has attended numerous workshops related to art and culture. Also, he has served as a superintendent in the Academy of Creative Arts, Calcutta, and as an art critic for magazines. Now, I would like to request our convener, Dr. Ruchira Dhingra ma'am, to say a few words.
नमस्कार, वेबिनार में उपस्थित आप सभी लोगों का स्वागत वंदन। कालांजलि श्रृंखला की अंतिम कड़ी के रूप में कालीघाट चित्रकला आपके समक्ष प्रस्तुत है। शिवाजी कॉलेज की राष्ट्रीय सेवा समिति निरंतर ये प्रयास करती रही है कि देश के कोने-कोने से वहाँ की प्रसिद्ध कलाओं को हम आपके समक्ष लेकर आएं, जिससे ना केवल वो कलाएं कहीं ना कहीं जीवित हो उठें, हम भी उनके प्रति प्रेरित हों, उन्हें सीखना चाहें। लॉकडाउन के कारण हम ये सुविधा तो नहीं प्राप्त कर पाए कि इन कलाकारों को जो इतनी अच्छी कलाकृतियां बनाते हैं, इतना सुंदर इनके अंदर प्रतिभा है, उसे हम नज़दीक से देख सकें। पर आभासी दुनिया ने हमें दूर रहकर भी पास रहना सिखा दिया है। हम सर से अनुरोध करेंगे कि वो आज हमें कुछ टेक्निक्स बताएं। इसके साथ ही मैं व्यक्तिगत रूप से उनसे निवेदन करना चाहूँगी कि मैंने सुना है कि एक आर्ट की फॉर्म है जो मिट्टी की तख्ती के ऊपर भी बनाई जाती है, उसके विषय में भी हमें थोड़ी सी जानकारी दें। कोरोना काल में आप सब स्वस्थ रहें, प्रसन्न रहें, अपने घरों में सुरक्षित रहें, ऐसी कामना शिवाजी कॉलेज परिवार आपके लिए करता है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, ma'am. Before starting, I would like to request all the participants to keep their audios and videos off during the session. If you have any question, you can post them in the chat box. Also, the link of the feedback form will be given in the chat. Now, without any further ado, I would request our guest to start the session. Over to you, sir.
We are going to learn about Patachitra, and especially famous in Bengal, and not only Bengal, all over India and as well as all over the world. And Kalighat Patachitra, the name given, but actually it is related with the Kali temple, Kalighat, very much popular. But this Patachitra actually not started in Kalighat. Its name is given. Earlier period of time, already in Bengal, it was the culture of Patachitra. And different way it is used. But whenever Kali temple and their people who are visitors, especially, they came. And that way the people, other people who are involved in Patachitra other part of Bengal, and especially South 24 Parganas, as well as Midnapur. Then for their living, they gathered in Kalighat region. And besides the temple, they arranged their living by making Patachitra. And Kalighat temple, one of the mythological story over there related with Shoti, right toe. Most of the time it is told that, okay, one toe or four of the toes. So वो मिला था पत्थर के रूप में और उसके बाद वो काली टेम्पल हुआ था. So Kalighat temple related, whatever Patachitra came, first started with Kali, but after that it revolves into other god and goddess as well as Shoti, Shiva, Vishnu, Saraswati, Lakshmi. So all various kinds of god and goddess there we can see in their painting. And especially the painting also, that period of time, they used without any drawing, and only they used the earth color and especially primary color. The picture was not too much gorgeous with color. Very simple way, art color they used. They dressing without drawing, and it was very much famous for who visited the temple for, and that way they used to do so. Painting, they didn't value them proper way. For a decade, or we can say century, it lasted. And after that period of time, I will go for whenever I will show you how to paint or in the picture, I will try to describe. But one more thing I want to share with you. Kalighat Patachitra actually abolished due to financial crisis came whenever the printed, जब printed होता था picture, तब क्या हुआ, वो artist जो how come हो गए, वो प्रिंटिंग मशीन के सामने उन्होंने टिक नहीं पाया, इसीलिए it was abolished. First of the 20th century, around of time, Kalighat Patachitra was very much famous, and they वो अपने जगह अपना जो स्वतंत्रता है पेंटिंग के, वो उसमें वो काम, और इसीलिए अभी भी बहुत सारे म्यूजियम ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड वी कैन सी. Not only that, from that Patachitra, so inspiration, and personally they worked and various ways that the inspiration and Patachitra color they used, it was not chemical. They prepared the color. So they used gum, and for the gum, they make that the seed of the tamarind seed, they crushed it and make it powder, and after that with that water, the gum is prepared, and they used that gum. Color, which picks up everything over there. We must have to learn it, at least how they did it, the value behind it, because Kalighat pot painting not only Dev Devis, they used, they depicted the social view at that period. Gradually in the Kalighat pot painting, and not only that, that time we say generally Babu, that character. So various kinds of characters behind that story, they painted in that pot chitra. Kalighat pot chitra, the name, we just said it. And that way we can say it was the history written through the painting in Kalighat pot chitra, because that time no TV over there, and that like medias, whatever we can see nowadays, that was not there. But through that picture, they depicted the scenario of our society. So that way, the Kalighat Pottachitra's value, I think, out of imagination over there, when we are going to study about it, it's too much valuable, because how progressed, how the social situations, everything that was depicted. And another thing I want to say, there is, I say at least, because the history of Pottachitra isn't a very short history, it's a very long. So I think within a short period of time, it's not possible for us to tell also, to understand also, but little bit, whatever we know, that one within this little bit period of time, we are going to discuss to who are beginners, at least going to start Kalighat pot painting, how to do, are interested. So for them, I think is as a starting beginning. Is one thing I want to share with you, that was the Dev Devi, whatever wearings, means ornaments, saris, or whatever wearings they use in Pottachitra, that was totally our social cultural wearings. Means people who used to that period of time, their women, that like society, that like wearings they used. Means they just got the god or goddess in them, in their heart, in their culture. And that way also we can get the situation or whatever the position that period of time was there. So society का जो picture हमने वो कालीघाट पॉट पेंटिंग में पाया है, उसमें से पता चलता है किस तरह का लोग पहनते थे, उसका जो नमूना आर्टिस्ट ने बहुत खूबिया से उसमें पेंटिंग किया, वो बहुत ही अच्छा है. तो चलिए हम शुरू करते हैं आज प्रैक्टिकल पॉट पेंटिंग से. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू दैट हाउ pot paintings happen. But before that, I'm just going to show you okay, not necessary to move. It's okay. Okay. So I think, can you see? So okay, and there I want to share with you the face of Kalighat Pattochitro. They didn't use the profile picture. Profile means our side view. As well as in Rajasthani painting or other paintings, we can watch their profile picture, they painted. But especially in Kalighat Pattochitro, whatever the Pattochitro you will get, you will not get any profile picture. It's always frontal, front view. सामने हिस्से से जितना दिखाई देते थे वैसा ही उन्होंने पेंटिंग किया था. ये एक स्पेशलिटी है कालीघाट पॉट पेंटिंग का. और जो सिंप्लिसिटी ऑफ कलर और है रिदम, उन्होंने उतना एनाटॉमी में ध्यान नहीं दिया कि बहुत सारा करेक्ट होना चाहिए. वो अपने मन में जो आते थे ब्रश चलाने के लिए, वो जो मन में क्रिया होते थे उसी ढंग से, वो मन में जो भावना होते हैं, आर्टिस्ट का मन का जो भावना होता है, उस भावने से वो लाइन खींचते थे. और वो भी कोई ड्राइंग के बगैर. हम लोग जो करते हैं ये वर्कशॉप हम करेंगे, ऑब्वियसली ड्राइंग करेंगे, ड्रेसिंग करेंगे, हेल्प लेंगे, कुछ भी का, मगर वो लोग ऐसा नहीं करते. और एक चीज मैं बताना चाहता हूँ, तो पेंटिंग का स्पेशलिटी है पॉट पेंटिंग का, जो होता है लाइट एंड सेट. हम लोग जब लाइट एंड सेट का प्रयोग करते हैं तो ऐसा हम सोच लेते हैं कि एक सोर्स ऑफ लाइट होता है और कोई चीज जो होता है उसके ऊपर लाइट जब पड़ता है तो उनमें रिफ्लेक्शंस के बाद जो एक साइड में आलो दिखाई देता है और दूसरे साइड पे जहां ठीक से लाइट पहुंचती नहीं, शेड होता है. मगर पॉट पेंटिंग में उस तरह का कोई प्रयोग नहीं किया है उन्होंने. वो क्या करते थे, जो ड्राइंग होता था फिगर का, उसी फिगर के लेवल में वो अपने तरह से जो डोल होते हैं वही डोल से ड्राइंग और कलर ब्रश को यूज करते थे. दैट वाज द स्पेशलिटी of their drawing. And that way we can see that whenever they are drawing, they are using, I just made it, but they are painting also that way if you see. So they are using color, light color, after that shade over there, deep color. Okay, let's, we are going to start. Today, I prepared for you to draw one picture of pot painting, that one. We'll do it today. Today in our workshop, I'm just going to show you, I'm just going to a sheet of Xerox paper because you know, it has been raining in Kolkata for 2 days. And that's why watercolor, if I use all time, it will take long more time. So few more steps, I already did it, but I'm showing you how to start and one by one, how to end it. So before going to this, total should come, then not very. Okay. So these type of pictures, whenever we are going to start, then we have to make it a surround shape first. We are just have to go for ideas and then just that light, and then make it the figure little bit we'll get an idea just how much it's taking. Too much light, অনেক বেশি লাইট হলো ওটা দেখতে পাবে না, এখানে লাইট দরকার নেই, এখানে শ্যাডো থাকলে বেটার, হোয়াইট পেজ তো রিফ্লেকশন দেবে। We are just drawing the doll, and now see the leg positions we are getting means oval shaped like drawing you just making a freehand drawing like. Okay, first time we'll make an image of that. And now we are going to finish one by one. Hair form we're making. Hand shapes also very bulky. It is not slim, and that was also one kind of characteristics of Kalighat painting, bulky figure. Figure shapes always bulky. Okay, and now hair form, chest part. Already done, you can see roughly figure we have drawn it, and then we are going for now detailing. And the eyes always too much long, and it is called in Bengali term potol chera. Kind of vegetable we eat, and earlier people used to make relations with vegetables or other things to make the figure drawing correct. It was also our Indian culture and very much famous culture. And now that way total detailings we are doing little bit, and now our shape is there, we have little change, and that way we have to make it correct. Okay, most probably done. And now finishing, just take it and make it with, take your time, and that way try to finish the line drawing. Okay, and that way to save the time I'm just going little bit faster. And now what you have to do, unnecessary lines you just have to erase it. Okay, so that way you just finish all the drawing detail. And for example, I'm just telling you, who are beginners, for them I'm telling, you use that like paid means fixed color, that way that you can drawing that in finish line drawing. I think you can see it. Okay. And that way, you just finish your line drawing. That way. So after tracing, you will start to color it. So I'm just going to show you using color on it. So, okay. So first time I'm using yellow chrome. Yellow chrome. That way. And water-based color as well as Western painting also we do that like, and not necessary too much care you must have to get. You just make it, take your color and on the surface just with the help of water spread it. Okay, so that way body parts of the figure chrome yellow I'm using. And now second part over there, we are using red, Indian red. Indian red, and now just take it. I told you shading, they used to shade in that way. Means dole according to the figure shape is coming and that way is giving. And okay. And now also you can use your brush with helping water. Just if you think deep is there, then just little bit mix up it. It is also can be used. So this type of, if we do, this is shading. It is used most of the Kalighat paintings. And it is also, we can say, characteristics of Kalighat painting. Okay, that way we can finish up the figure. After that, you can use black. You can use black for hair. That way. Okay. After using the black for hair, you can use cobalt blue or blue for the saris wearing. Very light color, water based, just blue, cover, spread it all over the saris. I think you got it. How to use one by one color, not too much color. You can see only yellow and blue, and that way total saris we will color it. And then whatever the positions is coming, I'm showing you. So after completion of total saris color, you will get that light, right? And I told you settings. When we are going to set it, then also you after that you are getting that like stage set it already. Okay, little bit up. And now this painting we are going to finish it. Take a deep color, blue deep, and just we say part of the saris. And not necessarily too much care, just roughly draw your brush according to line. Okay, and little bit thicker line. Obviously you can see, press the brush automatically, it will be thick. Okay, that way. And almost total line drawings already done. You take your time, who are very big beginner, just take your time, do it slowly. Okay, and now we have to give the shade. So here we are not going to give shades as well as Western style. It's a Indian style, and I already told you characteristic features of Kalighat painting, and they use. So according to the shade is given. So as well as here the sarees goes in this way, in this manner. So for that saree, we are making little bit, okay, that way. And now body parts, we are going to make these according to sarees, the lines going on. Okay, and that way we are covering it. And now frontal part of the picture, we have to make it here also, these both the sides over there. So that way we are making this, that way the sarees structure, we can give it set in that manner. So it will tell that the modulation. As well as same as also hair palm is coming that manner according to okay. And now we are going to make the eyes. Already drawing is there because it's a Xerox copy, you know, but whenever you are drawing with pencil, but this line also is not same as well as used in painting because their lines are very thick. So you choose your brush according to whatever number 00 or 01, whatever. I'm not changing the brush, whatever the brush I have, with that I'm just doing to do you. Okay, just start with the frontal part, pressure, give it and lose it. Automatically our eyebrow already completed. And another one, I'm just making it back because I'm sitting over here. So that's why it's very difficult for me from frontal to do. So I'm just making it that pressure and okay, that way. You can take your time. I have to finish it early. So that's fine. Okay, and then just make it this way. Very nice, I think. Okay. And now eyeballs in the middle. Okay. It looks like Shiva's eyes, you know, very sleepy mood, drowsy mood, that like. Okay. Okay. So another expressions. And after that, one thing I'm just going to show you, if you want to do, you can. Means with the help of these lines, whatever sarees I have done, there also you can make a black line with the help of your color that way. Okay. It is up to you. If you get time, I don't have too much time for you to show these, but I'm showing you how to do it. Just take the black and make it a little bit over the dark shade. Then it gets too much depth, and it is also one of the most characteristics Okay, so that way, right? Whatever the shade over there, blue, dark blue, after that we are making, and this is also giving another kind of shade also. Yes, so it's getting the figure also too much depth and making is shade also. And that way we are completing. Okay. Okay. And now I'm going for ornaments, special thing, ornaments of women. And Kalighat painting ornaments, we generally watch that most of the picture, all the pictures, we can say they're used white color, white. So I'm also using that, how to. So before going to use this white, you must have to dry up your picture very well. And that's why I did it step by step earlier, because you know, I told you the weather of Calcutta is not so well wet. So it will not, so I made it first, and that's why I can use it now. But if your picture is not finished, not dried, so don't use it. Just watch how to do it. So we are making the ornaments with the help of white. And designs according to your choice also. Modern designs also you can put, no problems at all. Because we are not making total Kalighat picture, we are making the style, we are following the style of Kalighat painting. Okay, another also we can make it here, black background over there, so white will work nice way. Yeah, that way. Okay, and now we can see necklace or whatever. So there also we are making some more designs with the help of white. Okay, and another thing also we can watch on other paintings. I'm also going to show you that is not too much suitable for this painting, but also I'm going to show you for the beginners. In other picture also, if you do that way, most of the pictures we can see Kalighat Photochitro, that like ornaments with the help of white, very much popular and characteristic. So, and also you can make it very thin line, and that way just make a line. Okay, make a line. Okay. And also over there, another ornaments are coming over here, hands, women especially fond of using. So that like also ornaments over there, they used to wear. So we are going to do so that way. Just only white, not necessary too much color, because simplicity of the picture. Right, okay. And also in case of hands, other ornaments, and one is there, you can say, we say it is baju, I think, is that, okay. And little bit white I'm giving on it, okay. And then just make it one or two, we can say in term chudi, bangles, right, okay. And I think already we are going to end it now. Not too much decoration, just little bit highlights I'm giving you. You can, it is your choice. You can give it or not, no problems at all. To make the picture more modeling, I'm just giving it that way. Okay. Are you feel boring? I don't know what is happening with you. So I'm trying my level best to show you, and beginners, please try to do. I think that way we can know how they did, the earlier artist, how much they just toil, and that way the paintings over there, nowadays we can't see them, but their paintings tells us about them, the history of that, like that part of, or that time of society we can also get. So I think no more, let's end it up. Okay, let's see. I think you watched.
So it's looking absolutely amazing, and the chat box is filled with so many appreciating comments, such amazing feedbacks. I hope the participants have got an enlightening glimpse of this art form. So if the participants are having any questions, you can send it in the chat box.
Is there any question? If you have any questions, you can ask. Okay.
I think everyone is so mesmerized by the painting that they are just getting over it right now and not really have any questions. So
Okay.
with this, we have come to the end of the session, and I take it as a privilege to give away the vote of thanks. Firstly, on behalf of the entire NSS team, I would like to thank our speaker, Dr. Prabhat Kumar Das, Mr. Prabhat Kumar Das, for taking his precious time out and telling us about this amazing art form. Next, I would like to thank our principal, Dr. Shiv Kumar Sahadev, for his constant support. Further, I would like to extend my thankfulness to our convener, Dr. Ruchira Dhingra ma'am, for her abounding motivation, guidance, and support. And last but not the least, all our attendees who took interest in this program and make this event a success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, all of you.